The second
owookubiri
is important.
wakulu ddala.
The second is to
Awookubiri
retrench its priesthood
kwe kusengula obwakabona bwakyo.
and say, Lord, I remove the evil priesthood of this altar
Ogambe nzijawo obwakabona obubi obw'ekyoto kino
and dismiss the supervising spirit on this
era
altar.
n'engoba omwoyo ogulabirira ekyoto kino.
Number one, I did with repentance.
Ekisooka kwe kwenenya okweroba.
Number two,
Ekyokubiri
retrenching its priesthood,
kwe kubeera nga
dismantling or scattering or sacking, whatever word you want to use, but it's removing the priesthood.
okugyawo obwakabona okubugoba okubusaasaanya
In the authority of Jesus Christ,
mu bulinza obwa Yesu Kristo,
my high priest,
kabona wange owa
I
waggulu,
retrench the priesthood of this altar.
nsengula obwakabona obw'ekyoto kino
I completely wipe it out.
era nkisangulirawo
I
ddala.
remove them from their office
Mbajja mu yafisi yaabwe
and I dismiss
era ngoba
the supervising spirit.
omwoyo